The main reason to join Crossborder C-Suite was to enlarge the base of content and develop e-commerce content just to have new idea also for the business. So the best experience I got here was to meet really fantastic people and to speak about a lot of interesting arguments to enlarge for sure what is the perspective on the e-commerce business. What could be a challenge for the future? It's a difficult question, this, because involve a lot of idea and perspective, but if I have to summarize, I can say to enlarge the base of a possible participant to the meeting and give more opportunity for the attendee to find the right contact for the right business.